Hi, welcome to ANC News English. SSC exams will be scheduled on 18th May. Education Minister Srimati Sabita Indra Reddy asked students to prepare for SSC exams. Telangana Chief Secretary Sri Somesh Kumar has issued GO 64 with details about what business can be open in red zone, orange and green zones in Telangana state during lockdown. Telangana government's commitment to farmers' welfare. 5.5 farmers will be debt-free as Honorable CM directed release of 12,000 crore towards farm loan waves. Goods train runs over 15 migrant workers in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Accident occurs between Jalna and Aurangabad of Nanded division. The incident occurred at 5:30 am on the Aurangabad-Jalna railway line. Medchal Malkajgiri Collector Vasam Venkateshwarulu on Thursday said cantonment orders were lifted in 4 areas in the district that do not fall under the limits of GHMC as positive cases of COVID-19 were reported. Domestic flights can be allowed after 17th May. Vistara, SpiceJet, Go Air, Indigo, Air India need to make the decision now. As per the fresh reports coming in, the government is planning to start the commercial flight services as soon as 17th May. SBI of India has launched a special fixed deposit FD scheme for senior citizens called SBI VCare Deposit. This has introduced in the retail term deposit segment to safeguard the interest of senior citizens in the current falling rate regime in the time of coronavirus pandemic.